How to turn on or off Reddit notifications and emails. Tired of too many alerts from Reddit? Or maybe you don't want to miss anything important? Here is how you can control your notifications and emails. First things first, go to www.reddit.com and log in. Click your profile icon in the top right, then select Profile and then select Update. Now, open the Notifications tab. Toggle on or off for notifications like messages, mentions, replies, or trending posts. Go to the Email section to control email alerts for activity, recommendations, or newsletters. Pro tip: turn off marketing emails if you only want important updates. Keep security notifications on for account safety. And that's it. You are now in full control of your Reddit notifications and emails. No more spam, just updates you care about. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.